chapter number 8. Page number 75, question number D. Answer these following questions in a sentence. सबसे पहला आपको क्वेश्चन दिया गया, व्हाट डू वी मीन अ सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर. सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर, सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर क्या चीज़ है? सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बच्चों लिखें. सच अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नोन एज, such a structure of a living organism is known as a सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर. सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर यानी कि सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर से आप इसको इस तरह सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर कह सकते हैं, यानी कि जिसे आप कहते हैं कि सेल्स, टिश्यूज़, आर्गन और सिस्टम, ये तमाम चीज़ें मिलके एक बॉडी बनाती हैं. इसको सेलुलर सिस्टम कहा जाता है, सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर कहा जाता है. तो इसको आप ये शो कर सकते हैं, सच अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज़ नोन एज अ सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर. उसके बाद बच्चों नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपके पास, व्हाट आर एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. इसमें क्या आता है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. एबायोटिक स्ट्रक्चर्स में दीज आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. These are non-living things. उसके बाद नंबर 3 है आपके पास कि why do animals need food, how to do get this food. Animals depends upon other plants and animals depends upon other plants and animals depends upon other plants and animals for food and nutrition. Such organisms are called heterotrophic. Such organisms are called heterotrophic. हेट्रोट्रॉफिक, राइट. उसके बाद है बच्चों नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन एक्सक्रीशन. नंबर 4, डिफाइन एक्सक्रीशन. These process या the process of the removal of waste from or waste from the body is known as excretion. Define photosynthesis. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, डिफाइन फोटोसिंथेसिस। इसमें आपका आएगा प्लांट्स प्रोड्यूसर, प्लांट the producers can make their own food by photosynthesis. नेक्स्ट उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है आपके पास, what are autotrophs? Question number 6, they make their own food. They make their own food. For example, plants. तो बच्चों ये 6 क्वेश्चन तक आपके क्वेश्चन हो गए, ये आप लोग याद करेंगे। आज मैं आपके साथ न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करूँगा कि हैबिटेट्स। अच्छा जी, द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लिविंग्स, चैप्टर नंबर 9, यूनिट नंबर पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन चैप्टर नंबर 9 है और पेज नंबर 77 है। चैप्टर नंबर 9 और पेज नंबर 77, ये हम अभी स्टार्ट ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। बाकी क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो 7, 8, 9, 10 आपको कल लिखवाई जाएंगे, आपने ये 6 याद करने हैं। कहते हैं कि बायोम्स एंड इंटरडिपेंडेंस बिटवीन द बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक वर्ल्ड, राइट। Biotic and abiotic world. Living organisms need to interact and depends upon each other as well as the abiotic world for their survival. They cannot survive in isolation conditions which make it suitable for the survival and different species. The kind of organisms living in a given region will depend upon the conditions prevailing there. The biodiversity of a region of Earth depends upon the heat, temperature, rainfall and humidity in it. The world has been grouped into different biomes. A biome is a region of the Earth's surface and the particular combinations of climate, plants and animals that are found in it. अच्छा जी, इन इट it includes the habitats of various types of organisms dwelling in that region. There are 5 biomes, namely forest, desert, aquatic, grassland and tundra. We shall discuss each in detail. Forest biome, सबसे पहले जंगलात. Forest represents a third of the earth's land. The trees form the major features of a forest biomes. The land area covered mostly by trees and plants from a forest. A vast variety of plant and animals are seen in a forest, depending on the kinds of vegetation. Forest can be classified into rainforest, temperatures, and taiga or boreal forest. Tropical forest, सबसे पहले क्या आ गया? Tropical forest. This climate in the tropical rainforest is hot and it receives heavy rainfall. The heavy rainfall causes flooding, soil erosions, and rapid leaching of nutrients from the soil. Leaching is when the minerals and organic nutrients of the soil are washed out of the soil by rainfall. Plants grow rapidly and quickly use up any organic material left from decomposing plants and animals. As a result, soil is nutrient deficient. The tropical rainforest is very thick and not much sunlight is able to penetrate to the forest floor. However, the plants at the top of the rainforest get 12 hours of intense sunlight every day of the years. In rainforest, a large number of trees such mangroves have special supporting roots like still roots. These roots come out from the trunk and grow downwards into the soil to the hold up plants in the shallow soil. Due to the thick canopy of large trees, due to the thick canopy of the large trees, small plants climb on others to reach the sunlight. A large number of creepers and climbers grow in a rainforest. The plants in a rainforest have a smooth bark and smooth leaves. Rain falling on the forest drip down from the leaves and trickles down the tree's trunk to the ground. The plants have shallow roots to help capture nutrients from the top level of the soil. A rainforest has many epiphytes such as the epiphytic orchids. Epiphytes are plants that live on the plants, and instead of collecting water with roots, they obtain water and minerals from the rain and from the debris that collects on the supporting plants through hair on their leaves. Rainforests are tremendously rich in the animal's life. Rainforests are populated with insects like butterflies, arachnids like spiders, reptiles like snakes, amphibians like frogs, birds like parrots and mammals like sloths. Taiga forest, ये तो था आपका कौन सा? Taiga forest, also known as the boreal forest. The taiga forest is the dominated by conifers यानी cone bearing plants, most of which are the evergreen, that is bears leaves throughout the years. The taiga has cold winter and warm summers. Some parts of the conifers have a permanently frozen sub-layers of the soil called permafrost. Drainage is poor due to the layers of rocks just below the soil surface. The soil of the acidic and poor in the minerals. It is covered by a deeply layer of partially decomposed conifer needles. Most trees in the taiga forest have needle-like leaves which prevents water loss in the freezing weather and sheds snow more easily than broad leaves. Waxy coating on the needles prevent evaporation. These leaves are dark in color, allowing more solar heat to be absorbed. Coniferous trees have branches that drop down to help shed excess snow and to keep the branches from the breaking. इसी वजह से इनकी शाखें भी टूट जाती हैं. Some of the animals that lives in the coniferous forest are hawks, owls, lynxes, snowshoe rabbits and wolverines. Most of the animals migrate before the onset of the winters. ये ग्लास टेन कर में पड़े. Temperate forest deciduous forest biome has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. Animals and plants have special adaptations to the cope with these yearly changes. Adaptations means the ways in which plant and animals change to suit the conditions in which they live. The word deciduous means the leaves on these trees change color in autumn, fall off in the winter and grow back again in spring. In winters, these forests get snow and hail, so deciduous plants lose their leaves to conserve water. Deciduous trees have broad leaves of capture energy from the sun and convert into the food by photosynthesis. Some of the food is used for the growth and some are stored. They stored food in the roots for the winter when they trees no leaves and cannot make their own food, any food. Some deciduous trees are black walnut, red maple, poplar, birch and willow. Animals living in these forests adjust to cold winter by hibernating of migrating during winter. Leaves fall off trees. Living trees with less covers of hide themselves from the predators. Some of the animals found here are the black bears, raccoons, wild boar, turkey and rat snake. तो बच्चों आपने चैप्टर नंबर 8 के जो क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको बोर्ड पर लिखवाए गए हैं ये आपने याद करने हैं, और क्वेश्चन नंबर चैप्टर नंबर 9 में से आपको फॉरेस्ट की काइंड जो हैं वो आपके साथ डिस्कस की गई हैं, वो आपने याद करनी है। इसके अलावा ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं ये मैंने आपको 6 तक लिखवा दिए, 7, 8, 9 हम कल लिखेंगे। और उसके बाद ये जो हैबिटेट एंड ऑफ लिविंग थिंग चैप्टर नंबर 9 था हमारा, आज पेज नंबर 77 पर ये मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पर, चैप्टर नंबर 9 पेज नंबर 77। इसकी आपने रीडिंग करके इसमें से चीज़ें अपनी सारी ढूंढ के लिख लेनी है।